Welcome, doctors. If you've ever felt like your practice's financial performance isn't where it should be, or billing errors, today's video is for you. We're going to talk about how KPI dashboards can help you take control of your revenue cycle management, RCM, and streamline your processes. RCM is the backbone of financial health in any healthcare organization. But with so many moving parts, like billing, coding, insurance verification, and collections, it's easy for inefficiencies to slip through the cracks. These dashboards take the raw data from your revenue cycle and turn it into something actionable. It helps you quickly pinpoint where the leaks are happening, whether it's in your billing process, your coding accuracy, or your collections efforts. Let me share a real-world example from a multi-specialty clinic in Texas. They were struggling with monthly collections, they were slowly declining, and the team wasn't sure why. But when they implemented a KPI dashboard, the data immediately revealed something surprising. Their first pass resolution rate, FPRR, had dropped to 78%, well below the industry standard. So, what did they do with this insight? The RCM team retrained the front desk staff on the correct eligibility checks and automated the verification process. Within 3 months, they saw a 12% improvement in clean claims. This is just one example of how KPI dashboards can give you a clear view of what's happening and what you need to fix. Without something like a KPI dashboard, it's easy to miss inefficiencies until they've already caused significant financial damage. Sometimes, issues like increasing denial rates or delays in collections are only visible when it's too late to correct them. It could be something as simple as a slow charge entry process or as complex as poor coding accuracy. But without real-time data, how do you even know where to start? They allow you to track your RCM performance in real time. You can check your billing status daily or weekly, no more waiting until the end of the month to realize there's a problem. These dashboards help you pinpoint exactly where things are going wrong. What's even better, dashboards let you compare your metrics to industry benchmarks, so you can spot areas that are underperforming. And if you're tracking staff productivity, you can see who's performing well and who might need a little extra training or support. By using KPI dashboards regularly, your practice can experience data-driven improvements, such as faster revenue turnaround, fewer billing errors, and more accurate forecasting. Plus, you can hold staff accountable and make sure everyone is performing at their best. These dashboards will not only improve your bottom line, but they'll also enhance the overall patient experience by reducing errors that lead to patient dissatisfaction. So, what's the takeaway here? KPI dashboards are not just tools, they're powerful decision-making aids. They help you catch inefficiencies early, optimize every step of the revenue cycle, and ultimately make smarter, faster financial decisions. Let's address some common questions that many doctors and healthcare providers have when it comes to KPI dashboards. How often should I review my KPI dashboard? Ideally, you should review it weekly. But if you're in a high-volume practice, daily monitoring might give you better results. What software tools offer RCM KPI dashboards? Some popular options include Epic, Cerner, athenahealth, and Advanced MD. There are also custom dashboards based on tools like Tableau. Are dashboards only useful for large hospitals? Not at all. Clinics, billing companies, and even solo practices can benefit from KPI dashboards. What's the easiest KPI to start with? I recommend starting with clean claim rate and days in AR. These are great starting points that can give you immediate insights into your workflow. Can dashboards reduce my denial rate? Absolutely. By identifying root causes, KPI dashboards help you address issues before they lead to denials. Doctors, if you're ready to improve your revenue cycle and gain better visibility into your practice's financial health, they'll help you catch inefficiencies early and streamline your RCM process for better financial outcomes. This video is for informational purposes only. Always consult with a professional for advice specific to your practice.